Mommy Iyore finally settled with Monica. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Mommy Iyore, the settlement when he do with Monica. And I'm going to say they put the video for Mona still watch. I am so happy you say two of them finally settle. It's in a conference call now they put them when they settle. This one talk with it they in mind, the other one talk with it they in mind. Now so it's supposed be. You understand? Not be people will go see say people they quarrel or come they put fire. No, we want enter new year. So if they quarrel with anybody, settle. Settle. It don't mean anything. See, salutation is not love, eh? That be one thing one and not understand. Settle with somebody one at the quarrel. It not go remove anything for your body. It not go make you not be what you want be. You understand? And now new year we want to enter. So I just the pity for people when they do saga every day for social media. You cannot even think of another thing again. So go you carry one person matter put for head though, you not go rest again. And once you enter new year, you see use that quarrel to enter new year. Where you go sleep? Eh? You know say if we dey sleep, all of us, everybody be like who don't die. Now God that they come they wake everybody up. Abuna not know. Abuna not know. If you dey sleep, you dey know whether pikin they near you. You not go know. And as you go see they do the saga for live video, go they swear for children, they swear for family, say person go meme. As if say you not go die one day. You understand? So I am so happy for the settlement. I am so happy say Mommy Iyore and Monica finally settle. And I know say more. God go see Juan. Even she and Lolo go see settle one day. And so you go see B. They go settle. Not me say oh, they greet each other. This one go talk with the day in mind. This one go talk with the day in mind. I dey watch the video just now where somebody talk say me Mommy Iyore settle with Queen. That Queen people don't try. Even Umenwine and there's some guys they put them for conference call 2 times. I see the way Mommy Iyore talk, she was calm, made the settlement become. But the way me they look at Queen, see it be like something see the Queen mind when she no want talk. The truth have to be said here. So that will not be by force. They cannot force Queen to settle. If it can't come up for him mind finish, now she go see talk say Mona settle us. Now so it be, my darling people. So I go put the video now Mona watch am. Mona see leave on our own comments. I wanna reason the settlement. For me, I am so happy. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
Let me talk. God bless you. You want to do so Dominicana and Monica.
3.
Gamutia. I'm not pagati. Me deni mo na nari. E Monica eka. Magi gui, magi Monica gui. Ezo okbek beboto. Deti ate kan sejo o imae. Wenu mi mena. Ina amo wama. Imeti mi na dandai. Ade no come tabik be. Ite mi no mama. Ite mi no ma. So wala go ye sort and water wala. A prophetess okbe no ke arugwe me na no ke no settle. O imi obe imi ye kakabo. Ma ebe mi rock man ni magba drag, you know. Even ye we live video mebeu. Emi obe ye beu. Ma emi obe bo tode, me mi ye bo tode. So yana we even ye beta be gbada for me ke ebo ni ga gui e saga ya make me na we gwe ni ye ga be gui emi beta be gbe ni beta be gbi ye ne ga gui no la gogo no mo so be fua. So no ya la gogo ibe sota water bi je me wala gogo wa mo so fua won wala gogo waga igui even mighty we o me we prayer point ma de so oga we fake no obata ma be yan no we ni no tie fake iyan isusu gwe. Those are the people iyan mana confessing na wetin ya toge iyan mi ogogo but iyan ni ma we ni emi ni zobo u ma se bogiye emi ni zobo u ma se bogiye ugmeso ave ya jere ugmeso obegbina ni ma wo ka o obegbina ni ma mata ma we no ma beta emi ni ebe wo many times like that. So nuwa yala wowo nuwa ge gwi won wala wa gwi so no ke no ro o ye settle omo ga mo eva me prophet see e fat you know settle almost to gba o ti o salo bua o wi yan we ya kaya we prayer ne when prophetess ya we kenya na we no ya we ya kaya we prayer ne so o meti setu e o no re dege amosoto o no riso o mosoto o no rokpera o mosoto so we ya ye setu e wa ya fe wala wowo amami egbeja many things to do to achieve a lot of things, you know. Ama ime oga me meti gu wa kwe we are going to Musaloboa. I mean, Neruno every day. In Neruno, be I Neruno quo. So, voilà, also, or that from there, or why we support say, or when you am away because, or why moving, yet Tita will do pin and give me naso. I think I have me naive, but, oh no, I believe, because it's so when you're about go, one arm agree, or when 1 minute die. Weti batoru we be no we do amini mi na dan wa we eri ogeleje wala ile sata water wa imia wala wowo be bible this thing or that from silogun when e ko tie ni ge mi no mi you know so nuga yala wowo igba do yin mi wa wala won wa dede gwi ami mi opa even o mana ye wugwe mi oye I walk with you. I will not go boy. Not we be forgiven. We be forgiven. We are a Christian. Anybody know you sort of what I could and then forgive. Or maybe not G. Or maybe not G. But to go to a job like be. Una always sort of what someone will confessing. No man even me go. No man even me go. So no go allow. Maybe why you was see. It take me how many minutes? It can't take time. If I don't want to get we get mu why get respect wa it time a daughter via ya tona evena wa we fire me igwa kata me daughter na wo salobo awe wa we understand you know ma be che daughter malatia ngwa la gogo ngwa agbo we sota water allow wala we runu wa we na me o be ma be ge ma fi wori ati shine na so wala gogo izobo when izobo ye we set ma ye forgive izobo Izobo no ga mekpeto imi ladia of the no wala wo won wala I make na mo sorry okay wala wo wala ijo salobo ijera me bi je me no re mi ja yin wa wala wo God bless you maybe you meti record but for me me record salobo me wa mi jan yi record so even I want to tell you, you want to say, "I'm a talo where give me no sunu, give me no me mama be talo. I when I forget, now move on with our life, you know. Wagi just so jaw. So what you say? What why worry? Ni maybe forgive so that you have anything no salo babe ume. Ni be wo salo babe forgive you me. Man, what that again a different type of a mind. Well, so no care, or me no care no run. Me only prophet is said to, only almost to where. Also, no boy very open John no ya said to a. No ya said to a so ko walk back one event na ko loto to ene. So the oka ke no je maybe no saloba we no sunu no ve na, you know. I me ko keka I wa achi gbagba even mind maybe the mana mo po legal school no wo see mind me mind no o wa we mommy jori only say I wa we were because I go rock my leg and emi rock my leg and emi go di so can me je me face me die we video ya we time sa doge buto cause we have abe be yoka ke no ti aja iseto na bogo meti do oga do o amara pare do gun ajo o ke wa do nyanya jo na me de gwa lo wa do nyanya jo me de gwa lo ato me wa yo saloba ya yin wa me de gwa lo wa do nyanya jo hello wala wo go hello
mommy sati wa ti ma ki anya jo mommy o sa wa si tu me ba ni sa mo o sa wa
we lo enu ya watch me gba na wa onu wa do ta lo enu ya watch me
Emi opa me oni me wa be ta mo mi o sa wa se me wa be gongon nu we. Ya wi ma gongon nu ito oge. O be ma be do ni ani na be gu na be settle. Emi opa oni no we we. Udi ma ne member we. Ma ne member we of the West is more than 4 years now. Who wa there's no one for. So with queen, eh we queen be gui.
Me gwaguya, me guya yi.
Queen mommy, there's no one for so ma mo.
La go la. O wa be wa onu tana. Me guya be ma sato e na be la video be there yo. La go de no ye tai.
We be settle with Monica. We be settle with queen, there's no one for so.
La go la. Imani je ni be mana. Yo saloba ya imi awe. Wona be kwati no abe do si na yi. That no ado si. Igwe mani je ni be mana. Era ya bua. Imani je simple.
3,
They settle no ado settle na ka mu je na settle we ma no awasi na gbe be la ni be dari wa. Ami oto ya. Aka gbe 4 hours bi yeke. Ama mi oto e. Adogbe no awasi be la video. Ama ye mi oto e teta o. What's on one like sorry? What's on one like confusion? Baba emi no gassetto. Emi no gassetto. If we man 10 minutes, as 4 years. On mama be say 10 minutes in the live video right now. We have a conference.